Okay, so hi everyone. Today we are looking at the Pioneer USB-C PD docking. I know the name is a bit awkward. Its model name is APS-DKPD001 and this is actually by Pioneer, the car audio brand. Yes, they are venturing into this kind of USB-C docks, and as you can see here at the back of the box, you have a lot of features. So let's talk about it one by one. Firstly, this is the dock itself. At the front here, you have a microphone port, and then you have a headphone jack, and then you also have a USB 3.1 Type A. At the back here, you have two more USB 3.1 Type A. You have an Ethernet. This is Gigabit Ethernet from, what is it again? Cypress GX3 controller. And then you have a HDMI port. I'm not too sure what version is this. It's not mentioned in the user manual. And then you have also a display port. Again, I'm not too sure what's the version of it. And then you have a USB Type-C port here, and then you have another Type-C port, but then this one is dedicated to connect to your PC or Mac. This is a very important point, which we'll get into it in a bit. And then you have the power jack right here. Since it has a power jack, this is actually an active hub. You need power source for this thing to work. Why? Because you can charge your laptop using this dock alone. As many of you might have known, we live in a dongle world nowadays, and one single jack can rule them all, and that is Thunderbolt 3. It looks and just plugs in like any other USB-C devices. So this particular jack right here, this USB Type-C port right here, connects to maybe your MacBook Pro with the touch bar, the new one, and also something like let's just say the Asus ZenBook 3 Deluxe. Just plug this in and you can get all of these connected at once with just one cable. You can charge, you can connect all your peripherals, your display ports, your HDMI, and also your Ethernet all together. So what you get inside the box itself is this accessory box. You get this power supply. I did note here that it's actually giving off 90 watts at most, 20 volts at 2.5 amps. And then it also comes with two of these power cords. This is meant for, I don't know what country is this, and I don't know what country is this either, but definitely not Malaysian plug, not the UK plug, and that's fine. It's actually using the same jack as your PC power supply. I don't have a MacBook Pro with me, but I'm just gonna show you real quick that oh yeah, you also get this Type-C to Type-C cable. It's relatively short, but it gets the job done. So we just take the power jack, plug it in. We also have the BenQ EW277 HDR right here for our quick demo. We just again plug it into this jack right beside the power jack, the Type-C port beside the power jack. And then we also have the Samsung Galaxy S9 here, and it actually supports MHL. So once you plug it in, you can see that the display will light up in a while. Just wait. So as you can see here, MHL is working fine. So let's just open Google Play or whatever. We'll turn on auto rotate, and as you can see here, it fills the entire screen with glorious display. And if you have a keyboard and mouse, again, you can plug it into these two USB Type A ports at the back, and it just works. As for the Gigabit Ethernet, it's a bit of a weird situation here. If you're using Windows, you can get the driver automatically. As usual, it's plug and play for Windows. As for Mac, you have to head on over to the link down in the description below, Pioneer's website, and download the driver for your Mac. If not, your Ethernet will not work. There's also a bit of trade-off when it comes to the two displays available on this stock. Again, you have one HDMI and one display port. If you use two of them together, you only get 1920 x 1200 at 60 Hz for both displays. If you're using one at a time, you get 4K at 30 frames per second maximum. This dock here is available at Lazada, but the price is something that you will cringe at. It's nearly 1,000 ringgit, and it's a very niche product. Those who are paying for something like a MacBook Pro, maybe you want to get one of these. Again, this is something to improve your quality of life. Just one cable to rule them all. Again, Thunderbolt 3. Maybe if you have the something like an external GPU enclosure, you won't need this. But again, it really depends on your use case. One thing I do want to highlight is that why doesn't it have a card reader or something like that? That would be a lot more useful for something like for me personally, I would actually take my laptop, go out, go on the field, take some pictures or videos, come back, and I just want to connect this one dock, connect all my SD cards in there, copy everything out, and that's it. But too bad this thing doesn't have any card reader or whatever. But I guess that's just how it is for now. I hope to see some improvement in the second generation, but as of now, this thing is actually very niche. And that's all for the what is it again? The name is quite problematic. Pioneer USB-C PD docking, codename APS-DKPD001. Thanks for watching, everyone. Stay tuned for more videos like this. Maybe not this product in particular or similar. And check out the full written review down in the link below. And subscribe for more videos like this. We'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching, everyone. Bye.